Rndr is correcting for some time after this massive push to the upside. And now we are at a very interesting price area, and the chance that we could see even higher prices is there. In this video I will talk about Rndr token and share my price prediction for the short term and for the long term. So let's go straight into the content. So first of all, Rndr is right now on place 37 of all cryptocurrencies with a market cap of $3.5 billion. This AI coin had his last all-time high back in 2021, and we already saw a massive new all-time high for Rndr token in 2024. And since the beginning of 2024 we saw this massive explosion for Rndr token. Rndr's price increased from the down to the top about 300%, and since the new top at $13.50, we then saw this correction to the downside again. And for the long term, I'm really bullish on Rndr, because I think it's a great AI project and we already saw this massive price increase in the last time. And as you can see, we are right now at the last all-time high. So Rndr retested this last all-time high with this wick right here in this weekly candle. And right now we are also retesting this last high. And the chance if we are retesting this high and see a bullish reaction, then the chance is high that we could continue the bullish trend to the upside and make higher highs. And if we're going on a daily time frame, you can see again that we have this bullish trend to the upside, that this demand zone was the start of this extreme bullish push to the upside. And if you're using the Fibonacci tool from the swing high to the swing low, you can see that we are retesting the last all-time high and the 0.618 Fibonacci. And if we're retesting this level and see a bounce to the upside, then the chance is also there that we could see a massive higher prices. So I think right now is a potential great buying opportunity for Rndr token. But if we would see even lower prices, then of course the chance if we come back into this demand zone and see a bullish reaction on the smaller time frame, that we then continue the bullish trend to the upside. We also have the 0.786 Fibonacci right here, which could be a potential support. Just if we are breaking this last low right here at $5.67, then I think the chance is high that we will see lower prices again. But if we are not breaking this one and see a bullish reaction, then I think the chance is high that we could see even higher prices. So as I said, I think right now is a great potential buying opportunity for Rndr token. And if you're using again the Fibonacci tool for the long-term targets, you can see that we have nearly reached the last potential price targets at the 1.618 Fibonacci at $14. And I think a potential price target of the 3.618 Fibonacci with $31.16 is very realistic. And from the prices right now to this kind of price target, we would have potential over 240%. Of course, I think the chance is high that Rndr token can reach even higher prices, because we already broke this last all-time high and see this massive bullish potential, and it's one of the best performing AI coins. And I think AI coins will in this cycle outperform every other niche. So I think the chance is high that we could see prices like $50 to $100 for Rndr token. Especially if we have a look at the market cap, you can see that we have a lot of potential to the upside. For example, if we are comparing the market cap of Rndr token to the market cap of Cardano right now, we would then have a potential of 6x and a price target of $54. And if we would compare the market cap of Rndr token right now to the all-time high of Cardano, we would then have a potential price target of 27x and $249. So if we have a look at this price target right here of $31, then you can see again that this is also a very conservative price target. But I think if we see the bullish move, that these price targets are the next very interesting price targets. And if you want to have daily updates on a crypto market or altcoins like Rndr token, then join my free Telegram group. You'll find a link in the description. So as I said, on the long term, I'm very bullish on Rndr token, especially for this bull cycle. And if we are now looking at the 4-hourly chart, you can see that we are seeing this bearish correction down here. But right now we are seeing this very interesting candles happen, because from this last highs right here, we saw this correction to this low we made in lower low. But from this low, as we are retesting this last all-time high, we then saw this extreme bullish move to the upside again. We broke this last highs. So we had this break of structure to the upside right here on the 4-hourly chart. Then again, we saw this correction again into these levels. But we didn't saw a clear lower low with this new lows. So we don't saw another break of structure under this important lows. So if we are now seeing a bullish move to the upside and also break this last high, then I think the chances are that we could see even higher prices and a bullish explosion in the near future. So again guys, I think this kind of prices are a great potential chance to get into a long position or to buy some Rndr tokens for the long term. So guys, thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.